What is good, my YouTube familia? It's been a minute to be with my brothers, my guys. Got Jordan just here in the cut. We trying that new Jack Harlow meal. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we gonna try everything from the fries to all of that. I haven't had KFC in like years, honestly. When was the last time y'all had KFC, if y'all can remember? The mac and cheese.
I don't know if you drunk it. Like the Joe House.
Ah, it's hot. Nah, I'm playing. Here's the secret fries.
There's nothing secret about these.
They said secret recipe fries. Why do mac and cheese smell like that?
See that? You see that? I got hair.
Where?
There's a hair right there.
That's a secret right there.
Grab your fry.
Nah, man, that's a hair.
Do I see you littering, sir? I'm not even looking at the camera. Did you just throw that out?
That's not littering. It's food.
You right.
That's the law.
He right. Pollution. What's wrong with him? All right, so we gonna try.
There ain't no.
Actually, we'll show the Harlow. That don't look like Jack Harlow. What the heck is that?
They tried.
That ain't Jack. That man look like he belong to FBI nephew. Turn it around.
They seen yours.
Nah, that man look like he's a predator. Looks like a wannabe Bruno Mars. Oh, you gotta try it with the ranch, y'all. He like ranch with his. She didn't give us no barbecue sauce.
I don't like ranch.
She didn't give you no barbecue sauce?
No. I don't like ranch either, and we didn't get no forks.
Spin the block.
We're just gonna have to try it this way. Open your ranch.
I don't like ranch.
We just trying it one fry with ranch. It's gross. I just use yours. We ain't finna double dip. I don't like it like that. All right, y'all. So I get a fry. All right, 3, 2, 1. Well, we already had.
That's disgusting.
And make it taste tangy, but the fry itself is good. I never really had KFC fries because I ain't remember them making fries.
Never again. Ooh, I didn't drop the ranch. It's on your seat. So it's not bad.
That's all good. No problem. So the fries.
Good thing is well.
They're alright.
We'll try to get the fries out of 10. That's how we gonna do it.
I'm not gonna try the fries without the ranch.
Go ahead. Take a bite.
Yeah.
We'll wait on just here.
This is
It's cool. You know, if you be a little bit hungry,
a regular fry.
I give it 6.5.
That's a fry.
I mean, we don't got no forks for this mac and cheese.
This is 6.
Why do I think you have forks?
I only got straw.
Want to eat it with a straw?
It smells like some regular mac and cheese.
Okay. So now we're back with the mac, y'all. I mean, we ain't getting no fork, so I don't like that. That smell like ugh.
It smells like school.
Yeah, I'ma just say.
It's not high school.
I mean, if I put some barbecue sauce on it, it might be good.
I don't like it. I'm a fan of mac and cheese. I don't like that. That's gross. That's like some crab's meat. That's Jack Harlow. You are failing right now, my boy. Your lip, Jordan. Your lip. Ah! Now we're on to the main course. The sandwich. Spicy chicken. This is KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. So this is really all of that. Fries, mac and cheese don't matter. This matters. So bring out y'all sandwiches. We finna eat this sandwich, y'all. Now, yeah, mac and cheese. My rating is 0 out of 10. That was gross. That was nasty. Would you rate the mac and cheese? 0. 4 is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's not edible to me. That's gross.
Came out of a box.
So see the sandwich. 3, 2, 1. You just gotta keep chewing it more. I'm not hating the sandwich though. What you think, Jordan? It's cool. Just granted, y'all, we didn't eat anything, so don't take it as like we just.
Walking out to our car. Lay down, bro.
Oh wow, she don't know the park, John. That's the one.
Everyone does not want to park by that car because look how they park.
Yeah. So I'm trying to lemonade. I ain't trying to lemonade. Lemonade's not the same everywhere, y'all. Just so you know that. This lemonade is actually dumb sweet.
It's like it's Chick-fil-A.
It's dumb sweet. I'm messing with the lemonade. I'm not gonna lie.
I need some barbecue.
So
It could be more.
really,
Too much age.
what would y'all get the sandwich though out of 10?
6.
I give like an 8.
I was gonna say.
I always need some barbecue sauce.
I was gonna say an 8 too, to be honest. But
The same to
meal overall though. So it's a lemonade, mac and cheese, fries, everything. Was that 5? 4?
That's all I get.
I'm a 5. I'll say a 5. Will we eat here again?
Hell no. The heck no.
No. Definitely not. But that was it, y'all. It wasn't gonna be nothing too crazy trying the meal. Jack Harlow, with this meal, you fell off. You officially, nah, I'm playing. But nah, the album was smooth. But your meal, that's not you, bro.
Choose a
That's,
different place.
that's not you.
the 10 weeks you've been top 10. You lie.
He lied.
You lie.
What he lied about?
KFC in it.
It ain't it, bro. So that's it. Make sure y'all get this video 10 likes if y'all want us trying more things. This was more of a quicker, straight to the point. Comment down below if y'all like that. But stay positive, inspired, be great, and blessed, and never stressed. Peace. Gang now.
What's up?
Yes, sir.
Please left me, but still calling to sex me. Check please, check please. Say finish, I'm still wishing you let me. Conversation with my angels. I was taught to go and see the world from different angles. Made a few